Hi, I'm Josh, and this is JP Designs. So I have this box of sandpaper here, and it is chaos. Who knows where what grit is. I need to find a way to organize it. But it just needs to be temporary. See, I want to redo my tool wall here and find a permanent place for my sandpaper. But for now, I just want to make a temporary box for it. To do that, I've got a cardboard box here that I'm going to cut up and arrange how I think I might want my sandpaper to be organized. And that'll be a good template for when I make the permanent one after I redo my walls. Let's go. Primarily, I have two sizes, my 5-inch and my full sheets. I need to find a spot that'll fit both of those.
Obviously the discs are 5 inches, but the sheets are about 9 inches by 12 inches, and the box is 13 by 17. I'm just going to draw out something pretty similar to what I'm looking for, and it's okay if I mess up, but this is a similar design to what I've seen in the past and just kind of what I'm shooting for here. Here I'm marking the depth of the box. I'm going to cut it up just to get started.
So the box needs to be deep enough to hold these sheets right here. But that would be too big for these because I want these just to be poking right at the edge there. Now these are 5 inches, so if the box is going to be at 8 inches, that means there's a 3-inch difference. So what I've done is I've made these little backer boards with some tabs to glue onto the back that are 3 inches here. If I glue these to the back of the box, that will keep those discs from sliding too far back and they'll be easily accessible.
I quickly realized that super glue wasn't going to do it, so just to hold these on there while the glue dries, I'm stapling this to the back of the box. Now let's use our scraps to make the shelves. Again, super glue isn't going to work, so let's use tape. Like I said, this is a very temporary solution. I made a spacer so all of these would be about the same distance apart. And there you go. Let's load it up.
Now some people might say that this isn't woodworking, but I say it's made out of cardboard. So it is woodworking. What do you think? Comment down below, let me know. Thanks for watching to the end. All right, I'll admit it, that cardboard, that's not gonna cut it. I had some extra pegboard lying around, so I went ahead and made the sandpaper box. Using the same design and the same techniques, I just put it together using a different board. I had to add a few extra braces on the sides underneath each shelf, but other than that, it's pretty much the same thing. And it's gonna hold together a lot better too. This is more like woodworking than cardboard. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.